Dear students, warm welcome to our basic science class. Let's start our class. Do you heard about an incubator? Incubator, what is it? For what it is used? From the pictures here, you can understand that it is used to hatch the eggs artificially or to hatch the eggs without a hen, isn't it? For attaining the temperature, a filament bulb is used. That is, in this situation, heat energy of a bulb is used instead of light energy. In normal situations, a bulb is used to emit light energy, isn't it? We used a bulb to get light energy, but only in this situation of an incubator, heat energy of a bulb is used instead of light energy. In the previous classes, we learned that energy can be transformed to different energy forms. We learned about different energy forms such as light energy, heat energy, sound energy, etc. Okay. During certain instances, unwanted energy forms or the energy which is not used may be created. For example, as in the case of a mixer grinder, we use mixer grinder to grind objects using a mechanical energy which is produced from the electric energy. We give electric energy to a mixer grinder and it converts into an mechanical energy. Then this mechanical energy is used to grind objects, isn't it? So a mixer grinder converts electric energy to mechanical energy, but this process produces sound energy along with it, isn't it? Which is not useful to us. That is, the energy we give in is electric energy, not fully transformed to mechanical energy, a small portion lost by making sound energy. It is not the sign of energy efficient equipment. Am I right? Did you see these types of bulbs in your home? We used it in olden days. What is its name? Do you know? It's a filament bulb. Filament bulb. Now our homes shines by these types of bulbs known as LED bulbs. The others is LED bulb. Now we are using LED bulbs. Why we replace the filament bulbs with LED bulbs? Do you know the reason? How the filament bulb works? When the electricity passes through the filament of the filament bulb. Did you see the filament? Inside the filament bulb there is a filament made up of tungsten. Tungsten is a metal like gold, iron, silver, etc. This tungsten filament is heated by the electricity when it is passes through the tungsten filament. Thus it starts emitting light. So it takes more energy to heat the filament and energy is lost in the form of heat. So less light is produced. In LED lights, the light emitting diodes, that is LED, light emitting diodes, which emits light. When the electricity passes through it, the LED, the light emitting diodes, emits light. So there is no heat is produced. The electric energy thus completely used to make light. So LED bulbs are more energy efficient than filament bulb. Less energy is used to make more light. An energy efficient equipment produces less amount of unwanted energies. An energy efficient equipment produces less amount of unwanted or unused energies. Okay, let's go to the first activity. Complete the table according to the example that is done for you. Okay, activity number 1. There are 2 columns. The first one is equipment and the second one is when energy efficiency increases. First one is bulb. When energy efficiency increases, the heat energy produced is less. That is, unwanted energy is heat energy. Heat energy produced is less and more light is produced. In the same way, the second one is fan. In fan, when energy efficiency increases, what will happen? You have to write. Okay. Then the third one is motor. So you have to fill the second column. That is when energy efficiency increases. And the fourth one is a mixer grinder. You have to write the second column. Okay, this is the activity number 1. In most of the instances, the energy given is transformed to other unwanted energies too, isn't it? Let's complete the concept map given in page number 22 of our textbook, Basic Science textbook. Take the Basic Science textbook, then page number 22, open it. It's very simple, even look like a very huge one, okay? It's all about working of a generator. That is, when generator works, we use the fuel like diesel. The chemical energy in this fossil fuel transformed to mechanical energy. The generator converts the mechanical energy to electric energy. So the first column fills with the chemical energy transformed to mechanical energy. That is mechanical energy. Along with electric energy, sound energy and heat energy is also formed. So these 3 blue columns should be filled rightly. Sound energy, electrical energy and heat energy. These 2 are not used. By using the electric energy, 3 equipments are working. That is a mixie, a fan and a bulb. Do you see? A mixer grinder working, a fan working, a bulb is glowing. When a mixie is working, mechanical energy is produced and it is used to grind objects. That it is used. But along with mechanical energy, sound energy is produced, which is not used. So, in the used column, you should write mechanical energy and not used column, you should write sound energy. While a fan works along with mechanical energy and sound energy is produced, sound energy is not used at all. When a bulb is glowing, light energy produced and is used, but heat energy is also produced, which is not used. Thus, the concept map is completed. Okay, so this is the next activity, that is activity number 2. Complete the concept map given in page number 22 of our textbook. Deals with the energy change associated with the working of a generator. Okay, this is the activity number 2. Now it deals with many energy changes associated with different instances. Let's reverse it. That is, the energy change is given and you will find out the instance. Okay. The energy change is given and you will find out the instance. Okay. This is the activity number 3. In the first column, the energy change is written. And the second column, you should have to write the instances. That is, in the first column, chemical energy is transformed to sound energy and light energy. Chemical energy is transferred to sound energy and light energy, which is the instance. It may be a crackers, isn't it? The fireworks, crackers burning. And the second one, chemical energy is transformed to light energy and heat energy, which may be the instance. Try it out. Okay. And the third one is electric energy is transformed to mechanical energy and sound energy. Okay, you should have to write the instance when this energy change is associated with it. Okay. The answers may be more than one. It may not be a single instance. there will be more than single instances that is associated with every energy change. So your answer should be correct with the energy change, that's all. Okay, there is no particular answer or single answer for this question. Your answer should be correct with the or correlate with the energy change in the right side. That is all. Okay, let's go to the next activity, that is activity number 4. The light energy is used among which of the following instances? A. Working of a mixie, B. Matchstick lights, and C. Iron box, working of an iron box. Find out the light energy used among which of the following instance. Okay. Now the second question is, in which of the following instances sound energy is used? First one, working of a mixie. Second one, working of fan. And third one is of firecrackers, that is പടക്കങ്ങൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുമ്പോഴാണോ? Okay, in which of the following instances sound energy is used? The third and the last question is, in which of the following instances heat energy is used? A. Lighting a candle, and B. Working of a firewood stove, and C. Burning of firecrackers. Okay, in which of the following instances heat energy is used? Okay, rest in the next class. That's enough for today. Okay, do the activities completely. Okay.